Welcome back in. Our turkey travel forecast for you here as we roll into the next couple of days ahead of the holiday. Rain showers, which have already started in some spots here tonight, will continue to bring us that opportunity into our Tuesday. On and off, moderate to even heavy pockets in there at times. Most of us a nice steady drip, though, for our Tuesday. Comes with some gusty winds out of the south at first to keep things warm, and then it'll actually recede a little bit, flip to the northwest, and get some really chilly temperatures in there for us as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. That could lead to the chance for some flurry activity for us as we go through Wednesday. A little band of very light flakes possible as a cold shot sets up just in time for Turkey Day itself and your Black Friday shopping as well. Also going to likely be very, very chilly. Let's talk about the rain chances first. We've got showers here in spotty nature across satellite and radar in the northern half of the state. A few more coming up into southern portions as well. In between, maybe a little fog, mist, light drizzle in there. Just because it's not showing up on radar doesn't mean that precipitation could be happening at that location. Really, though, we're waiting for the bulk of this to come in. We got a nice big low just south of Kansas City there. It's got a warm front and cold front combo that's going to surge that line of showers up to us and expand in coverage as we head into your morning commute tomorrow. Likely getting a look like this by 7 a.m. on Tuesday. What that means is some light steady rainfall for us, not unlike what we have outside right now. As we roll throughout the day, you see some of those heavier pockets getting in there, and those yellows and reds, more isolated to either the far south or actually across the northern half of the state. Some break in there for midday, but watch here, we've got spotty chances funneling along that cold front as it works by through a good chunk of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4 little streaks of rain, maybe even more as we go into Wednesday morning. Starts to wrap up for us and dry out, but then we start to see the chance for a little bit of snow banding to take place for us as those colder temperatures come in. Another little wave works around. Probably not everybody getting in on this. It's going to depend upon where that lines up and how far south that colder air and that moisture can get, but this could lead to some light snow, maybe reducing visibility briefly. Not expecting any accumulation at this point, and it shouldn't cause too many issues out on the roadways outside of visibility reduction, but you see through Wednesday night some streaks of what could be snow squally type flurries coming through. We've got tonight through the next 3 days, so that concludes Wednesday. Moisture totals anywhere between 1/10 to 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, and then a streak of 1/2 inch to an inch, mainly along that northern border here of Kentucky itself. Now, as we roll through the next 24 hours, temperatures hover in the low to mid 50s, and we climb to the low 60s tomorrow. Again, southerly winds, the responsibility of that, bringing the warm front through. Gusts 30 plus, especially through the heart of the day. As we roll into the next 3 days, we go from 63 on Tuesday to 48 on Wednesday to 37 on Thanksgiving itself. And that comes with wind chills that could be down in the teens to start the day, and likely that's how Friday is going to go as well. That cold pool follows. This is where our flurry activity comes from. This is where all those cold temps, look at the high on Friday. 35. Only lasts for those 2 days, though. We start to climb out of it a little bit into early next week. Sunday back to the 50s. Monday likely like that, too, in the 50s with a chance for rain as we kick off December. But we have colder temperatures that are going to funnel in on the backside of that again. And so long-term forecast suggests maybe more snow in the conversation. Of course, we got to get past Thanksgiving before we start diving into that.